Hi, I'm Todd Miller, Manager of Product Marketing for Seco Tools. I'm here to talk a little bit about some of the new innovative products that are being released into the market. One of them is a new face milling system to expand on the range of our already robust face mill program. We've got HSK 125 holders for those of you that are doing aerospace, typically large aerospace components. We're expanding the range for Yarbrough micro hard machining end mills. These are for people that are doing really intricate work. And we're also expanding upon our Jetstream tooling with the Jedi system, which is hoseless. Jedi helps control chips and improve productivity. Have you been thinking about improving your face milling technology to reduce costs? The double Quatro 14 face mill is the latest face milling technology to enter the market. There's a wide variety of products and support multiple needs. These are offered with a large depth of cut capability, fixed pocket or cassette, diameter starting at 2 inch up to 12.5 inches standard. The inserts are double-sided with 8 cutting edges, and it's extremely free cutting due to the high positive geometry, making it a great choice for most materials and able to improve your face milling operations across the board. Do you mill intricate details in mold cavities, die sets, maybe medical or consumer electronic components? Seco is expanding the line of its Yarbrough JM100 series mini end mills to help meet those challenges. These tools offer a 40 to 50% improvement in tool life with significant tolerance improvements. These are available in 4 or 6 millimeter shanks with a diameter range starting down to 0.2 millimeters and up to 3 millimeters in multiple cutting end styles. As you know, these applications only start with the tool. To be successful, multiple factors come into play, including machine type, programming, and holders, but our highly trained experts can help with those challenges as well. If you're looking at implementing high pressure coolant tools for your turning centers to improve chip control or productivity, or if you just have an older system and you're tired of those hoses and fittings needed, you'll want to investigate Seco's new Jedi system, which is the latest version of our Jetstream tooling assortment. Seco's Jedi system is an evolution of our current high pressure system for turning applications. It delivers an improvement in the coolant delivery while simplifying insert change as well as reducing the need for hoses and connectors to deliver the coolant. Pairing these new tool holders with the correct machine holder is all you need to get started. In addition to the previously launched cutoff system 15010 for Jedi and the metric ISO turning holders, we have now launched the entire metric range of MDT holders for grooving and multi-directional turning. Maybe you're looking for a supplier that can provide a full range of HSK 125 holders for those large machines, typically machining large aerospace components. Sycho can help. We have introduced a full range of side lock, face mill, ER collet chuck, and shrink fit holders to support those applications. So that's a quick summary of all the new products we have coming to market. Make sure you visit our YouTube page to find out more technical details about these and other products to support your growing cutting tool needs. You can also visit secotools.com to get product recommendations, details, along with more helpful technical information and advice. Thanks.